Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, January 26th. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I'm still very bullish overall. I mean, I do think this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this right here could possibly be the top right here, like the wave 5. But looking at all JPY pairs, I do think there is a pretty good possibility that these will keep on going up and most likely actually take out this high before we get a bigger move to the downside. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. Now, weekly time frame, it definitely would lead you to believe that this first move down was an A and this move up was a B, and that it would actually go down again for a wave C. And don't get me wrong, that definitely is a possibility, maybe even a very likely possibility. But looking at correlated pairs, especially the yen pairs, I still think there's a very good likelihood that it will go up and will take out these highs, and then maybe we'll get that big move to the downside. But for now, I am definitely very bullish on pretty much all the yen pairs. So going down to the daily, the important thing to see on the daily is that we don't have a fib bounce, we don't have a break of structure, we don't have a lower high. I think that there's a very good chance that this move down is just a correction and where we're going to go up at least one more time. And like I said, I mean, I think there's a good possibility it may even take out these previous highs. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I do think that this first move down is a wave A. I still think this move up right here could be a wave B. It looks like it's turning today at the 61.8% Fibonacci level, probably going to go down and make a wave C. Now, if you see this go down, make a wave C, and then turn back up with a big bullish engulfing move to the upside, especially if you can identify a break of structure, that is exactly what I would be looking for the continuation of the uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I think this is possibly the end of a wave B right here. If it is the end of a wave B, then yeah, we probably are going to form a pretty nice downtrend, which would most likely go down, take out these lows, probably form a wave C, just like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. So if that is the case, then you definitely could have some pretty nice sorting opportunities for this wave C. And then when you identify the end of the wave C on probably around the 4 hour time frame with a break up, probably at a Fibonacci level, then you could exit your shorts and start going long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.